Human brain. Is reflex action the only function of the spinal cord? Obviously not. Since we know that we are thinking beings, spinal cord is made up of nerves which supply information to think about. Thinking involves more complex mechanisms and neural connections. These are concentrated in the brain, which is the main coordinating center of the body. The brain and spinal cord constitute the central nervous system. They receive information from all parts of the body and integrate it. When we talk about our nervous system, it is divided into two parts: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system comprises of brain and spinal cord. It receives information from all parts of the body and integrates it. When we talk about peripheral nervous system, it comprises of the cranial nerves arising from the brain and spinal nerves arising from the spinal cord. All they took the information, integrate, and then send the message to the different body parts. Our brain is the most important organ and highly developed. When we talk about the weight of our brain, it weighs 1.4 kg in male and it weighs 1.2 kg in female. It is formed of millions, trillions of neurons, and it is encased in a bony case called cranium. Our brain is covered with meninges, and between the meninges, a fluid is present which is called as cerebrospinal fluid. Cerebrospinal fluid protects our brain from shocks and mechanical injury. It also maintains a constant pressure in the brain, and it helps in the exchange of nutrients and waste materials between the blood and nervous tissue. Our brain is made up of two nervous matter, that is the gray matter which forms the surface layer of the brain, and the white matter which lie in the inner part of the brain. When we talk about the parts of human brain has been divided into three parts: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. We also think about our actions: writing, talking, moving a chair, clapping at the end of a program are examples of voluntary actions which are based on deciding what to do next. So the brain also has to send message to muscles. This is the second way in which the nervous system communicates with the muscles. The communication between the central nervous system and the other parts of the body is